What happened?
He fucking went to my mom and told her that the only reason I didn't want to spend the night here was because I didn't want her to be alone, which isn't true. He just wanted her to tell him that I should spend the night there. Like a fucking douchebag.
Oh, so you wouldn't want to spend the night here?
No, I want to spend the night at mom's.
What if I look like this?
I still wouldn't talk to you.
Thanks.
What game is this?
What?
Sage, what game is that? Sage.
Take a picture.
Oh, it's a video.
Oh my god.
Fucking A.
Sage, what's up? Sage.
I'm Sadie Walmsley. I have no chin. What fucking kid?
What game is that?
Peter, stay still, stay still.
Hi. Can I come over at Emma's tomorrow? Okay. Yeah.
Lead your eyebrows.
Okay. Upstairs with Sage and Tyler playing game. Who else is there? Yeah.
What? I don't know what to say.
Oh.
What? What?
Nope.
What? What?
Bye.
Do the kitty cat.
What does that do?
Oh my god. Okay, click it again. Click it. Do it again. I love seeing myself turn into a zombie.
Kill hello.
I'm Sadie Walmsley. God. What? I mean, yeah, what? What?
Look at his eyebrows, they're gonna go all indent.
Hello. I'm Senor.
Alright, take it away.
Move the fucking phone. Make me turn into a fucking wolf. Make me turn. Dude, I'm in your face. I'm in your face, bitch. I'm in your face. Oh. Wait, I gotta move it. No. But I want the puppy, Daddy. Why don't you give me the puppy, Daddy? Give me the puppy. I want the puppy. Right now. Give me the puppy. Right now. Where'd it go? I want the puppy. Look, they like pop in. Mm-hmm.
Tell her
Jeez.
how does it work on his face?
I have no idea. It's funny though.
I like this. No, not that one. This one. What's this one do?
Your eyebrows.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. Oh, one eye is like bigger. Wait, give me a hair scrunchie.
Okay.
5 clips. Do you need them?
No, but I have like big zits on my forehead. Yeah, give me some clips.
I hold everything here. That. 2 more.
Jew.
That. That.
What the fudge are you doing? I got this, homie, okay? I got this.